How to add, update, and delete output presets on Deliver page in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a timeline to my project and I'm on the Deliver page. Here at the top of Render panel, there are some presets that you can use. Now to create a new preset, click on Custom Export and change video and audio settings based on your needs. Now click on the three dots button and select Save as New Preset. Set a name for it and click OK. Now my preset is added and I can select it. To update this preset, change the render settings. Then click on the three dots button again and click Update Current Preset. To delete a preset, select the preset, then click on the three dots button again and select Delete Current Preset. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.